Let's begin. What is a variable? All right. So we have here, what is a variable? A variable is a symbol that represents a number. So this is a basic introduction to equations. We're gonna give you a few examples here, basic equations here, and sometimes we use symbols that can represent a number, a standard number, or even another equation. All right. So we've got here plus 1. All right. Equals. All right. So we got x plus 1 equals. Right. So the x here is a variable. Right. It's not a number. It's a letter. All right. And this is a variable, and we can interchange it. All right. So we're going to say solve when x equals 2, something basic. All right. So we go x plus 1 equals, not sure yet, right? We're going to take this x equals 2, and we're just going to simply plug it in, replace the x with the 2. So the equation that we're looking for is 2 plus 1 equals 3. All right. Let's look at a different example where we give you three examples. Right? So x equals 3. Okay. Once again, this is a basic introduction to equations here, using variables, right? So we have x plus 5, and basically 5 plus x. And let's do x plus 1. What is it equal? So we're just going to do the same thing we did in our previous example, right? Solve when x equals 3, right? We're going to replace all of our equations x's with 3's. So here we got 3 plus 5, that equals 8. All right. Next equation, 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right. And now for this last one here, right? So we got x plus 1. We always say 3 plus 1 equals 7. All right. And this is a variable. The x is the variable. X is the variable here, right? When you get into calculus, there's also something called g of x, or f of x, and that's basically when variables kind of stand for or represent an equation, and within those equations, there are also interchangeable variables there too. So that's a little bit more ahead, probably in calculus, like we'll say 2. All right.